Greeting, I'm Vincent. Thanks for joining me for the sections. This section we were focusing on another product from the Veracode that is concentrate on the hands-on security training. The top application security challenge. I think most of people will agree that while an application security strategy based on scanning will help you to find fault and vulnerability, but the best approach also avoid creating the fault in the first place. Chip lab security is a mega trend. The market reality of many developers lack the necessary skill to write a secure code, and security team don't have the bandwidth or expertise to teach them because it's for the modern day. It just have too many new languages it being involved, and then they have only few people can catch up on the field. Don't say about the many that coming out on the programming languages. So and then the existing training solution are often based on the lengthy, generic, and often just plain boring or just not relevant to the case in hand to solve a problem they want it to be most to be the worst. We adults learn best by simulate, observe, and learn by doing. Solve the problem to gain the experience with us. Secure code from the start. By empowering the developer with the knowledge and tool to help them identify the potential vulnerability in real time, so they can fix issue while they are top of mind and adopt a secure coding practice that reduce the number of faults introduced over time. We will help the company save the valuable time and resources because as everyone being aware that if you can fix it in a developer time, it will be cost the company much less resources while you introduce the same vulnerability over the QA, UAT than to the productions because you involve more people and at a later time. So shift left is everyone now is doing. So Veracode, the security lab shift application security knowledge lab give developer hands-on training to confidentially tag modern threat by exploiting and patching the real code and applying the set of principle to deliver secure code on time. This is the whole purpose for the design for the Veracode Security Lab is all about. Develop real-world skill to gain the three benefits. First, through the hands-on training lab, developer explore the practical example and immediately apply the new skill in interactive threat scenario, and then try to linking what they're learning in hand into your existing scenario. Number two, regular assignment, progress report, and a reader board will foster a healthy competition and encourage developer to continuously up-level their secure coding skill because we need competition to give a benchmarking against our peers. This is a human instinct. Third, the technical team member will benefit from practice using the real container application because it is more interactive than you are follow those lengthy text by text or structured e-learning that do not really based on or simulate the real world application behavior in real time. As a developer, upon login, you can see from the dashboard full of secure coding topic and assignment. User can assign for the topic or specific programming languages assignment relevant, or you buy the experience levels. Here we see a screen of a short lesson to provide a particular of the topic. On the left hand side is the step-by-step instruction. The top frame is a real-world application. Developer can test their code for the live application for interactively reinforced for the lesson. Below the app is the terminal window and the code editor that live connection to the back end of the application. In code editor, developer can browse the file navigation or interact with the command line, or use the code editor to modify the live application file. For each lesson, developer will guide step by step to understand by exploit and then to solve the vulnerability by actually write a secure code to solve it. To gain the first-hand experience, the app will automatically check the developer progress to ensure they are performed intent action. If developer got stuck, they can ask for the hint or contact other teammates also in the training or senior to help. Since it is involved real-world applications, so developer can exploit different solutions for the problem. Lab content can be easily customizable. For example, how your team to handle the specific topic or to link back to your organization specific policy or documentation for the reference. As a manager user, you can assign set of topic and assignment for the different set of user, or set up assignment by specific deadline and schedule it to be sent. Admin user can track all user progress from within the platform, export CSV for reporting, or automate customized integration while the Veracode API.